Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Tacom Robot Vacuum. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max. This super slim RoboVac is only 2.85 inches tall, making it perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas. It operates quietly, but don't let that fool you. It has incredible suction power for deep cleaning performance. Now let's move on to the Tacom Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, thanks to its advanced mopping technology. With an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output, your home will be completely clean. In terms of price, the Eufy RoboVac comes in at $249, while the Tacom Robot Vacuum is priced slightly higher at $299. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so it's always a good idea to check for any ongoing deals or discounts. Both the Eufy RoboVac and the Tacom Robot Vacuum offer excellent cleaning performance. However, the Eufy RoboVac's Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction power when needed, which can be a game changer for deep cleaning. When it comes to special features, both robot vacuums have their advantages. The Eufy RoboVac offers an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. On the other hand, the Tacom Robot Vacuum provides a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function and gyroscope smart navigation for more efficient cleaning. Based on online reviews, the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max is highly praised for its slim design and powerful suction. It is considered to be an affordable option with excellent cleaning performance. On the other hand, the Tacom Robot Vacuum is praised for its 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function and efficient cleaning capabilities. It is considered to be an efficient and effective cleaning companion. And that concludes our comparison of the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Tacom Robot Vacuum. Both products have their unique features, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed buying decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.